Got a big old oak tree over here, leaning the wrong way. And Craig just made a box cut. And our buddy Elmo here with the 200 LC John Deere excavator is gonna guide the direction of the fall so that this tree doesn't go the wrong way. And today is Wednesday, October the 23rd, 2025. Doing a slight little clearing job over here in Somerset. So we're getting in position right now with the excavator. And Craig's doing a back cut, and hopefully we get a good video out of this. Yes, sir. There it goes. Timber! Awesome.